That scrambles my brain just looking at it. Admirable patience and ability to focus. Well done. Good luck in your channel and much support from one artist to another. Liked and subscribed. Thank you for the comment and subscribing to my channel. Yeah, a lot of my drawings are very abstract and they're kind of scrambled around, and they're very strange, I would say. They're not really, most of it's not really of anything that is from the real world, although I try to make some of it look like it is, so that people that don't understand abstract art can, get something from it or to see things. And so when I'm doing the abstract art, I like to make animals in it or different plants and other things, so that when you're looking at it, you'll actually see things that are in there. And so the abstract drawings I've been doing recently, and I was doing very big ones, they were really scrambled around. It looks like someone just took my imagination and my brain, all my thoughts, and just scrambled around and threw them on the piece of paper. And so my art tends to look like that, my abstract, of course. And so thank you for the comment. And yeah, it's been a journey to really figure out what type of art I like to do, and abstract is one I've always just really enjoyed. It's something I can do that's more relaxing and calming rather than the portrait drawing. It takes hundreds of hours, and so whenever I'm doing the abstract, I don't have to be in the same mindset as when I'm doing the portraits and all that, because I can just be relaxed. I don't have to be so stressed about whether or not I make a mistake, because if I make a line somewhere that I don't think it should be, I can always branch off of that and add things and change the look of it. So there's not as much stress there with that, and it's enjoyable that way. And yeah, my art can be really strange and scrambled around, but I like that. I like to make it different and create something new, something that's not already out there. And so thank you for subscribing to my channel and for the comment, and I'll see you around.